The boss is back. Welcome to our home. Let's get some inspiration for fall 2024. Everything you see in this video, they are all available on my website at designbytheboss.com. Link is in my description box down below. Let's get it done like a boss. I hope you all enjoy.
You took all the best of me. You said enough finally. Give it all up, set me free. You know the one day I will.
The boss is back. Welcome back, family. A beautiful collections just for you to elevate your living space. Shop our modern luxe collections now. A perfect way to give your space that classic touch. From unique and crafted decorative pieces to help you create a beautiful home. Thank you so much for stopping by. The link will be in my description box down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor 2024. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss.
Ooh. Yeah. Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining, building me up with the song it's singing. Filling my heart.
Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, I am Linda, CEO and founder of designbytheboss.com. Everything you see in this video right now, they are all available on my website at designbytheboss.com. The link is in my description box down below. Let's get it done like a boss. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor 2024. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss.
Pulling me back. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you. Keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, konnichiwa, kijanoye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to decorate for fall. I hope you all enjoy this video because I am going to decorate my former living room and the entryway. My new addition in the entryway, you guys, is so beautiful. I love the color. I can't wait for you guys to see. If you are new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell twice because you don't want to miss any of my future upload. Thank you guys. Don't forget to click the link in my description box down below so you can shop our beautiful collections. Our Christmas collections, it's right in the corner. I can wait for you guys to see. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much, family, for your support. I love you all.
Like a sunrise horizon, you're always there, always shining, building me up with the song it's singing.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me?
bonjour, bonsoir, amis, famille, moi, comment nous y est, comment nous y est. Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, non pas M. Linda, m'a dit bienvenue ou la caillou. Sur channel ça, me poste en pile idée déco. Des fois, moi poste côté que m'a fait manger, m'a nettoyer caille là. Moi t'arrête pour faire partie de famille. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis cliquer sur cloche notification 2 fois. Pour chaque fois me laguer une vidéo pour YouTube ka faut connaître que Linda poste une vidéo. Dans vidéo aujourd'hui moi pral montrer ou comment que moi te décorer la caille là salon. Bon tout ça que ouais dans vidéo ça, moi gagne un magasin en ligne. Dans magasin en ligne moi capable commander tout bagay ça yo. Si c'est première fois ou pral commander, pas oublier pour abonner, le abonner sur website là, il y a voyé un rabais de 10% ba ou que ou capable utiliser. Ou ka se vont l'argent dans premier order ou dans website ça. Merci en pile pour support ou. Merci parce que vous t'es passé. Et m'a toujours dit encore, pas oublier abonner et puis cliquer sur cloche notification 2 fois. Merci pour support ou. Merci en pile. À la prochaine. Non pas M. Linda / le patron.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right.
To complete the look of your fall decor, don't forget to grab one of our cozy nice throw blanket and some beautiful pillow covers and some floral branches. Coucou la famille, si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue, vous êtes chez vous. Mon nom est Linda / le patron. S'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos. Mon nom est Linda / le patron. Bienvenue sur ma chaîne.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I play.
And you guys, a candle will set the vibe for your final fall decor. I hope you all enjoy.
The way I wanted us to mix it.
Voila you guys, mes résultats. This is the final result. I hope you guys like it. If you do, hey, please let me know in the comment down below. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor Trends 2024. Let the design flow, baby. Designed by Linda the Boss. Thank you so much for stopping by and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box so you can shop our beautiful, beautiful collections.
It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail. Stole my thoughts for no given reason, none at all. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I wanted. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, your heart. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it before you try being.
These beautiful floral bunches, guys, we have them available in so many different colors that you can choose from. I hope you enjoy every pieces you order from our website. Thank you so much for all the love and your support. For our first time buyer, we have a 10% code when you sign up on our website. Don't forget to check the link in my description box down below so you can shop our beautiful collections. On our website, we have tons of beautiful different type of home decor pieces that you are going to love. We have for your entryway, dining room, living room, especially our pillow covers. They are handmade with high quality material, unique designs and pattern that you are going to love. They will last you years to come. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our email list because our Christmas collections are coming very soon. You won't miss this one. They are so beautiful, very unique that you are going to love them. Your home is your happy place, design it to your liking. Home Decor Trends 2024, let the design flow, baby. Design Belinda the Boss.
I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Adios, male, peace out. Bye, ciao, male, peace out.
When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Sometimes I